Hi everybody, this is me Vinu Venkatesh on behalf of Sai Education for Competitive Examinations. So we are doing rectangles in mensuration and we are going to continue the lecture today. We finished number 15 last class. Let's look at number 16. Find the cost of carpeting a room 13 meters long and 9 meters broad with a carpet 75 centimeters wide at the rate of rupees 12.4 per square meter. Okay, so we know that we can assume that first of all that the carpet should cover the entire area of the room. What is the area of the room? 13 into 9. Okay, and so that so we have to find the measurements of the carpet. We have to find the width of the carpet or the breadth of the carpet. How would we get that? It would be area, that is 13 into 9 divided by 75 centimeters. This is in meters, this is in centimeters. Please make sure all the numbers are in the same unit, right? Once you do that, you will get a width of 156 meters. Okay. So the cost of carpeting would be, this is wrong actually. It should be 156. It should be 117 into 12.40 because 117 is the area of the room and cost of carpeting is 12.4 square per square meter. So we should multiply 117 meter square, which is the area, into 12.4 rupees. Okay, 12 rupees 40 paise. Sorry, we are given the width of the carpet, we have to find the length. The length is 156 meters. There could be a problem here, just give me a minute. So 117 into 3 by 4 is 37. 117, that is, sorry, 51 by 4, which is, yeah, there is a mistake here. This is not 156. This will be somewhere around 80 something meters. So this is wrong. This answer is wrong. It should be 117 into 12.4. 117 meters square into 12.4 meters. Okay, number 17 and 18 are very similar to some of the previous questions we did. So please try it on your own. So is number 20. Number 19, let's take a look. Okay, a room 5 meters and 4 centimeters long and 3 meters and 74 centimeters broad is to be paved with square tiles. Okay, find the least number of square tiles required to cover the floor. First, let us find the area. Convert everything into centimeters because that's the easiest way. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Therefore, 5 meters will be equal to 500 centimeters. So this can be written as 500 centimeters plus 44 centimeters, which is 544 centimeters. And similarly, width would be 374 centimeters. This is the area of the room. Find the HCF or the highest common factor, which is 34. Area of one tile will be 34 into 34 because we are assuming, you should always assume that a tile is a square, as you can see in normal life, right? So number of tiles required will be area of the room divided by area of one tile, which is and the number of tiles required would be 176 tiles. Okay, so we have finished rectangles. Let's move to triangles. Okay, a triangle, what is a triangle? Triangle is a polygon. What is a polygon? Polygon is a figure which has more than 2 sides. A triangle is a 3-sided polygon. It's a figure and the area is half into base. This is called the base and this is called the height. How do we normally find the height? If this is the kind of triangle given, then the height is taken from the top vertex. These are called vertices of the triangle. That is the 3 corners. They are called vertex or plural is vertices. So from the top vertex, you draw a perpendicular line to the base. That is called the height. And area would be half into base into height, which here is 15. Okay. Area of the triangle can also be written as square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a, b, c are the sides of the triangle and s is equal to 1/2 into a plus b plus c. You have to memorize this formula. Okay. Now we have seen a right angled triangle. What do you mean by a right angled triangle? A right angled triangle is a triangle where one of the angles is 90 degrees. Okay, so here it is 90 degrees. The area is the same, half into base into height. The height would be this. One side of the triangle which is perpendicular to the base is the height. We don't have to draw a separate line like we did in the first case. Also, we apply a theorem called Pythagoras theorem, which is applicable only to right angled triangles. What does that theorem say? It says that this is the longest side of the right angled triangle, and it is called the hypotenuse. It is the side which connects the one vertex of the height to one vertex of the base. Hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. That is the formula we have to study. Okay, we have studied this before. Next, we're going to look at an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle where all sides are equal and each angle is 60 degrees. Okay, and one more thing. Another property of triangles is that the sum of all the angles of a triangle must be equal to 180 degrees. So in an equilateral triangle, each angle is equal to 60. So what is the sum of all the angles of the triangle? It is 180. It is 60 into 3, which is 180. Okay. And this rule applies even for right angle triangles and other types of triangles. In all triangles, the sum of all angles is 180 degrees. So what is the area of an equilateral triangle? If small a is the side, then area is equal to a square into root 3 by 4. You have to memorize this formula. The height is equal to side into root 3 by 2. The big radius, if we keep an equilateral triangle in a circle and we want to find the radius of that circle with respect to the equilateral triangle, it will be side of the equilateral triangle, which is a, into root 3 divided by root 3, which is nothing but a divided by root 3 if you simplify this. If we draw a small circle inside the equilateral triangle with radius r, that r can be found as a, which is the side of the equilateral triangle, into root 3 divided by 6. You have to memorize these formulae, okay? Next, isosceles triangle. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle is a triangle where two sides are equal. In this triangle ABC, we have AB is equal to BC. Okay, let us call AB as A, therefore BC is also equal to A. The area of an isosceles triangle is equal to B divided by 4. What is B? B is the unequal side, which is in this case AC. So AC or small b divided by 4 into square root of 4a square minus b square. What is A? A is the one of the equal sides and B is the unequal side. Perimeter will be nothing but this side plus this side plus this side. We have said that this side AB is equal to A, so it will be A plus B, which is nothing but 2A plus B. So we will be starting the questions from the next lecture. So please keep practicing, memorize the new formulae that you have learned, and all the best. See you next time.